Windows 11 is the latest operating system from Microsoft that offers a fresh and modern design, improved performance and security, and new features to enhance your productivity and creativity. One of these features is the ability to view photos from your smartphone in Windows 11 Explorer. This feature was introduced in the preview build 23471, which was released this week for Windows Insiders on the Dev channel. To access your photos from your smartphone, you need to go to the Gallery section in Windows 11 Explorer. There, you will see a new button called Add Phone Photos, which will generate a QR code. You need to scan this code with your smartphone, and then you will be able to see your photos on your computer. This feature is very convenient if you want to quickly transfer or edit your photos without using a cable or cloud service. You can also browse your photos by date, location, or album. However, this feature is not yet available in the stable versions of Windows 11, so you will have to wait for a future update to enjoy it. Windows 11 Explorer also has other improvements, such as the ability to detach tabs into separate windows or move them to another open window. The network pop-up on the lock screen has also been updated to match the overall design of the operating system. Additionally, the natural voice feature in Screen Reader has added support for Spanish language. Windows 11 is constantly evolving and adding new features to make your experience better and more enjoyable. If you want to try out these features before they are officially released, you can join the Windows Insider program and get access to the latest preview builds. However, keep in mind that these builds may have bugs and issues, so use them at your own risk. What do you think of this feature? Do you use Windows 11 Explorer to view your photos from your smartphone? Let us know in the comments below.